That's a very revolutionary product, able to give a very waterproof effect on cladding and exterior woods. We are today testing a product made in Rubio Monocoat, European brand. That's a very new product for cladding and outdoor wood. It's called cream, wood cream, and it's a very thick, high viscosity product. Viscose cream. And then we will put everything on the tank to aspire the product with our pump. Okay, finally we have set the machine. The cream is flowing down on the application roller. The finishing brush is rotating. So let's start with the job. We introduce one by one the planks of raw brushed fir wood, and here is what's coming out, perfectly applied evenly and inside every grain of the brushed surface. The reason the machine is working so well is because we have a vertical system that allows to apply only from bevel to bevel, thanks to the soft foam application roller, and the finishing brush is equalizing the product over the wood, as it was an application for flooring.